The Tisha Sharma death case took a dramatic turn on Wednesday after the Madhya Pradesh government raised serious questions in the High Court over the circumstances surrounding her death. The government told the court that injury marks found on Tisha's body could indicate a struggle before the incident. The observation has intensified the investigation and added fresh trouble for Tisha's mother-in-law Giribala Singh and her husband Shamat Singh. During the hearing, the state government referred to the post-mortem report. Government lawyers informed the court that injuries were found on Tisha's wrist, elbow and head. According to the state, this marks could not have occurred while the body was being brought down after the incident. The government argued that the injuries may have been caused during a physical scuffle. This has now opened up the possibility of the case being examined from a different angle. The Madhya Pradesh High Court was hearing petitions challenging the anticipatory bail granted to Tisha's mother-in-law. The state government strongly opposed the relief given to her and demanded cancellation of the bail. Prosecution accused Tisha's husband and mother-in-law of subjecting her to dowry-related harassment after marriage. The government claimed that Tisha was repeatedly taunted over what her in-laws described as inadequate spending by her family during the wedding. According to the state, the alleged harassment continued for a long period. Government lawyers argued that the allegations combined with the injury marks mentioned in the post-mortem report make the matter extremely serious. The state government also stressed that the injuries found on the body cannot be ignored. It told the court that the nature and location of the wounds raise important questions which required a detailed probe. Lawyers representing the accused opposed the plea for cancellation of bail. They argued that the allegations were exaggerated and maintained that the investigation was already underway. The defense also requested the court not to interfere with the bail order granted earlier. After hearing arguments from both sides, the Madhya Pradesh High Court reserved its order on the petitions seeking cancellations of anticipatory bail granted to Giribala Singh. The decision is expected in the coming days. Meanwhile, the case has sparked widespread public attention across Madhya Pradesh. Many people have demanded a fair and transparent investigation. Social media platforms have also seen strong reaction with several users seeking strict action if wrongdoing is established. The latest submission made by the state government has added a new twist to the case. The mention of possible signs of struggle has shifted focus towards the injury marks and the events leading up to Tisha Sharma's death. Investigators are now expected to closely examine all medical evidence, witness statements, and forensic details as the probe moves forward. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.